Hi guys, welcome back to Walmart's channel. With the holidays coming up, I wanted to share a few quick and easy decor crafts you can do with the kids. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. The first craft we are gonna do is the Christmas tree sensory craft. And what you need for this one is some Great Value Ziploc bags, a Sharpie, green dish soap or green body wash, and some gemstones. It's super easy craft to make, so let's get started. Step 1, draw a tree. Step 2, fill with soap. Step 3, fill with some gems. All right, step 4, play. Our next holiday craft is a simple hand ornament. This makes a great keepsake and could be a great gift for your grandparents as well. Right, Aubrey?
Yes.
Yes, it is super easy. All you need is shatterproof ornaments, a Sharpie, white paint, some paper plates. I'll link down below. All right, step 2, place your child's hand in the paint. And then grab the ornament. That's step 3. Wow. All right, and then place it on the paper plate over there to dry. Once it is dried, write their name and year on it. So cute. So there are 2 quick and easy holiday crafts to do with your kids this year. Let me know in the comments below what your go-to holiday crafts are. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check back next week for more videos.